Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 test video. Today we're going to be testing the customer's Tokyo Scar next gen recoil shock. So this is the L, obviously with the recoil shock system and the auto stop system. So this is brought in for just sort of a service and a check over. Also it was shooting to the right and bolt stop system didn't work. So we've addressed the shooting to the right issue and we've rebuilt it, you know, making sure everything's all good and well. Obviously FPS check after we did range testing was 330 FPS. The only thing we did be able to do was get the bolt stop issue sorted. We tried, basically the bolt stop lever was broken, so we replaced that with an aftermarket one. That didn't fix the issue. Then we replaced it with an original TM one. That also didn't fix the issue. Obviously we did multiple times, and it's just some things unfortunately off spec or slightly worn on the gun, which is causing it to not operate correctly. We found ourselves spending quite a lot of time on it, and ultimately the solution was to replace the original contact switch set with electronic trigger like a gate, because it's got a bit more leeway on them. Basically it's because it's operated by optical sensors. It is much better at detecting it when there's a bit of a play issue or tolerance issue going on. But unfortunately the gate was out of the customer's budget, so we've got the okay to basically sort of just leave it with the auto stop system not working / intermittent, and not to our standard anyway. So so we're going to be testing it today and obviously demonstrate that, and yeah, basically just demonstrate the gun, and obviously it's going to go back sort of as is, but we'll demonstrate it today and just make sure you know, everything's okay with the customer, and yeah, so we'll go ahead and show you. See there how it didn't quite kick off straight away, but when I paused and then did it again, it did kick off. Again, intermittent, about how it operates and turning on and off. You can also hear it sort of somewhat struggling on the single shots, and we've amp tested, it's incredibly low in terms of actual draw or normal, shall we say, because obviously we rebuilt the gearbox the same as we do anything. What we did have to do was, or we tried in trying to many things, trying to get the fix for the bolt stop lever was servicing the actual contact switch assembly. We sort of sanded down all the rough areas and got it so it's completely free moving, reloaded it all up. It still didn't get a resolution, so like I say, we're looking at potentially eventually there just reaches a limit in what you can just do label wise. You're looking at the very least a new contact switch set. Again, they're quite expensive, you know, again, it all comes back down to you know, what would fix the trigger response issue, you know, stop lockups, and fix the bolt stop issue all in one go. Gate tighten. So again, it just keeps coming back to that one part which we could theoretically drop in here and get it all going and sorted. But unfortunately, gate tightens are £100, so it's they're quite expensive products. So. quite perfect, is it? So we really did try on this one. We just couldn't quite get it there. So not versus the time spent. So there you go. So hopefully it's okay for you, and obviously any problems other than what's demonstrated, let us know. But we hope you enjoy it, and yeah, and feel free to you know, let us know in future if you want that gate tighten installed, and or you know, if you get any problems. So thank you very much.